Nilabas, Senator Go drives, puts it up, and he got it.
Senator Bongo will deliver a sponsorship speech. The Senate President would like to insert into the records his sponsorship speech, Mr. President, but let me add a short manifestation, Mr. President. Senate basketball just for the record, Sentinels basketball team with several athletes coming from this chamber. Senator Joel Villanueva, Senator Bongo, and the Department of Education Secretary as the team captain, if I'm not mistaken, and the Senate President Pro Tem as the chief sponsor and cheerleader cum manager of the said team, Mr.
I was not informed, Majority Leader.
Mr. President, this is not just a victory for the Senate. It is not just a recognition for all our legislator athletes, but it is the testament to the spirit, dedication, and teamwork that define this team, and indeed all of us here in the Senate. So our team, the Senate Sentinel, faced formidable opponents. And we have Senator Joel Villanueva doing some combination of legislative and athletic work with grueling practices and relentless pressure in competition, Mr. President. But as they just do in the legislative halls, they meet every challenge with resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Kaya po, Mr. President, atin po sigurong hindi lang palakpakan, kung hindi bigyan ng walang tigil na pagsaludo ang ating mga kasama sa Senado, kabilang po ang mga empleyado ng Senado na bahagi ng team na ito. They have shown that success comes not from individual talent alone, but from unity, teamwork, and shared passion. Kaya, Mr. President, allow me to be a co-sponsor likewise of Senate Resolution number 1209, congratulating and commending the Senate Sentinels. Mr. President, Senator Bongo, the main sponsor, would like to deliver his sponsorship speech as well. I move that he be recognized.
Senator Bongo is recognized.
Mr. President, as chairman of the Committee on Sports, it is with great pride and honor, and I co-sponsor the resolution commending and congratulating the Senate Sentinels for winning its historic back-to-back championships in the UNTV Cup Executive Face-Off. First time po ito na back-to-back sa Executive Face-Off. Mr. President, the UNTV Cup Executive Face-Off is more than just a game of basketball. It is an annual charity league in the Philippines where government agencies come together not just to compete in the sport of basketball, but also to contribute in noble causes. Through this league, we show that government service extends beyond our usual duties as it reaches to our communities, providing support and hope to those in need. Maraming salamat po sa UNTV, kay Sir Daniel Rason, at sa lahat po ng organizers. I would like to congratulate our team, the Senate Sentinels, which is composed of senators, Senate staff, and employees for defeating the AFP Cavaliers with an impressive score of 74 to 62, led by players like Senator Joel Villanueva, former Senator and now Secretary Sani Angara, and team members. Panoorin muna natin, sandali. Yan.
Senado, Senator Angara has it. Senator Angara, nice move. And the Senators joining forces, Senator Villanueva finally got it. 5 points win.
Sandali.
Open the court with a 3-ball. Senator Bongo with 2 3-point baskets. Just like that. 17-point lead.
Ang saya, oh. Daming fans. And of course, mga team members, including Director General Ronald Golding, magre-retire na po ito. Salamat po sa iyong serbisyo and salamat sa back-to-back natin. Sentro yan. And of course, the Triggerman, Deputy Secgen Joey Flaminiano. Director Albert San Cruz. Director Renato Sison Jr. Attorney Patrick Parawan. Ayo. Attorney Volts Robles. Supportive yung wife niya. Parating nandun. Renante Langit Jr. Tayo. Jose Reynaldo Ramos. Duty. Jonel Sanggalang. Benjamin Navea. Naging best player to once. Javier Lais. Warren Tan. Magre-retire na rin. Christian Andaya. Reynaldo Malaga Jr. Yan, MVP yan. Romel Evaristo. Yan, another MVP yan. Mrs. ni Councilor Evaristo. Attorney Steven Pastor. And Harley Nang, the Senate Sentinels had a sweeping victory and remain undefeated throughout the tournament due to the tireless efforts of our teammates. Lahat po ay nagpakita ng dedikasyon sa bawat training at buong puso na lumaban sa bawat laro. Each one of them played their hearts out to win this second championship. At syempre po, huwag nating kalimutan at hindi natin makakamit ang tagumpay na ito without the guidance of our head coach Mike Fermin, assistant coach Carlos Fermin, assistant coach Alex Barrera, conditioning coach Dante Diwa Tangco, and Reynold Benalayo. Further, would like to appreciate the efforts of the support staff who have had contributed significantly to this success. Of course, isa-isahin ko rin pong pasalamatan. Present yan parate. Michelle Torres, Rhea Joy Ladublan, Jeffrey Magtoto, Mark Rendal, and Mateo Sarco Jr., along with the medical staff who made sure that we are all equipped and fit to play. May dala pang mga ice to parate. Doktora Laila Celino, Bianca Marie Dato, Richardinho, and Anthony Abelita. At nagpapasalamat rin po tayo sa mga Senate offices na tumulong financially para sa pangangailangan ng team at sa mga kasama natin dito sa Senado. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At Senate President Pro Tempore, alam kong galante po kayo. And of course, Senate Majority Floor Leader Tol Tolentino, another galante. Senate Minority Leader Senator Coco. Salamat. Senator Risa, Senator Win, Senator Nancy. Sa lahat na nandito sa floor ngayon. Salamat po. With this victory, 1 million pesos prize money will be donated to 3 deserving organizations. Tahanang Walang Hagdanan Incorporated, Kite Foundation Incorporated, and Conservance Philippines, PH. This financial support will benefit these organizations that serve individuals or persons with disabilities, children with cancer, and other vulnerable communities. Mr. President, isa pong karangalan ang mapabilang sa Senate Sentinels. I would like to give credit to my teammates sa galing, husay, sportsmanship, and camaraderie na kanilang pinamalas all throughout the tournament. Sipag po, sobrang sipag po ng mga kasamahan natin sa pagpapractice. Kahit kami ni Senator Joel, medyo hirap kaming sumali sa mga practice dahil sa trabaho natin dito, sila po'y present always. Ang sarap po ng pakiramdam, lalong-lalo na po sa mga karamihan po sa crowd ay sumusuporta sa ating team, Senate Sentinels. Gusto ko rin pong bigyang pagpupugay ang ating mga naging katunggali sa tournament na ito, AFP Cavaliers, GSIS Furies, OP Executives, SSS Kabalikat Pension Boosters, COMELEC Fast Trackers, DOJ Beacons Executives, Ombudsman Graph Busters, Judiciary Magis, and DFA Diplomats. Lastly, nagpapasalamat po ako sa organizers ng UNTV Cup Executive Face-Off sa pangunguna ni Kuya Daniel Rason at Commissioner Atoy Ko, Deputy Commissioner Ed Cordero. Sa pamamagitan ng mga sports tournament kagaya nito, mas maengganyo po ang ating mga kababayan na bigyan ng importansya ang sports. Malaking relief po sa amin, sa atin, sa mga nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno na makapag-ensayo at makapaglaro po sa ganitong torneo. Ang tagumpay po na ito ay para sa buong Senado, para sa ating mga kababayan at sa lahat ng chosen beneficiaries. Mabuhay po ang Senate Sentinels at mabuhay po ang buong Senado.
Thank you, one of the franchise players of Senate Sentinel, Senator Bongo.